Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to an triaxial force balance accelerometer, AA222. AA222 features a high dynamic range and sensitivity. The output of AA222 is plus or minus 10 volts fully differential at 50 ohm, and the measurement range is plus minus 4G. The dynamic range is over 150 dB from 0.1 Hz to 20 Hz with 2G full scale, with a total power consumption of 80 amp at 12 volts. Noise density 0.0633 micro-G over root Hz. AA222 is an analog accelerometer which can be used as strong motion and structural health monitoring. Let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You'll see the accelerometer AA222, 2 Allen keys, a set of anchor screw, pressure screw, and a 12-pin connector in this package. You can refer to the pinout as shown in this figure. The following figure demonstrates waterproof joint and the definition of the foot for wired reference. Here's an image of the pin configuration. You may follow this configuration for wiring. Let's talk about the housing of AA222. It's an IP67 aluminum waterproof enclosure. First, you will see a yellow leveling bubble. It is used for installation purposes. The leveling bubble helps users to check the level of installation surface. We want to keep the accelerometer positioned at a flat surface. This silver hole is the pressure screw hole. We use it to test AA222's water resistance. As you can see that there is a shield sign right next to a hole. If you want to make sure your accelerometer to have good shielding, you may connect a metal wire from here to the ground. A friendly reminder: before the installation, please remember to tighten the pressure screw hole. Adjust the 3 leveling screws and keep the accelerometer at flat surface. Finally, your AA222 is ready for monitoring. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlian.com for more information. Please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlian Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.